We're turning ordinary drumsticks into tangy, spicy bites worth eating. Drumsticks are the cheapest because they're the last to sell. They got a thin end and a meaty end. If you butterfly the meaty end, we can open up those drummies, making them quicker to cook and nicer to eat. We're going to start cooking these drummies by dropping them in boiling water. That's going to reduce the scum and get rid of some of the grease. See, we don't want any of this in our sauce, do we? We reduced the fat and started making these tender. For the second step, face side down in a non-stick pan, arranged in a wheel, a meat wheel of drummies. But no one likes boiled chicken, so we got to start infusing flavor now with whole cloves of garlic. The base of the sauce is ketchup, extra sugar for sweetness, soy sauce for salt, apple cider vinegar, and tamarind paste are going to provide tang. And for big wings, we need the OG, Frank's Red Hot. And a little Chinese chili oil will really fuck them up, and they won't even know it's there. Sweet, spicy, tangy, all in one. The best part about this is the sauce becomes the base for the braising liquid. But you're going to need some hot water to continue the braise and a lid. 20 minutes is all you need. But that sauce isn't right. Continue to simmer until you get it perfect. Now that sauce is ready for a final basting. Now serve those up. Just make sure to hit them with extra sauce. Plenty of extra sauce. Garnish with chives. And my favorite, crispy fried garlic.
Oh my God. Those are f***ing good.
Real good.
Those are drumsticks worth eating. I can't get over how tender those are. That's drumstick win. Win for the stick.
Who wants to pay for chicken wings? Just get drumsticks and do this.
Yeah, those are f***ing good. Those are the best drumsticks I've ever had. I'm not saying that lightly.
You heard the lady.